Hello again, we're starting Module 7, our next to last module. The last one is just the final exam, which is going to cover the chapters 6 through 10 from the Xi books and any extra content that we have covered. For this particular module, you'll cover two chapters in Xi books, Chapter 9, which is on information systems, and will cover various aspects of planning information systems. Chapter 10 is on more societal issues, which will cover security, privacy, and a few other issues that we're dealing with in society with information systems. And then you have one exercise. This one is a quick lab, which is provided free by Google. You'll be learning something about Google Cloud Platform to understand more about cloud technologies. I feel like this is a really important exercise. More than just about anything, it'll really give you a sense of cloud technologies and how companies use cloud technologies today. It also touches on databases, which is a part of the content that's in Chapter 9. Let's get started.